would you look at that? That's fun. All right, y'all, Wheel Wednesday in the garage. So you guys can see here, I got the Forgeline wheels in. I'll show you guys what they look like right here, right now. Ready for this? Bam! So these are the F in a black ice color or finish. It's a little bit darker than a chrome, quite a bit darker than a chrome. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to get it out of the box, take it and show you up what it's like up against the chrome wheels that the car came with. But look at that, finish. All right, so there's what it looks like. This is the F01 Black Ice from Forgeline. And what you see behind you is the stock Z06 chrome wheels. And the reason why we went with the F01 Black Ice or Black Chrome is because our car did come with the chrome package, okay? So I didn't want to get too far away from the chrome. I didn't want to go with a black wheel. Then I would have wanted to change the black badges. But our car came with the chrome badges. I want to keep the chrome badges. I am going to cover up the Chevy bow tie with a different color. But so it came with the chrome badges both front and back, and then also like every Z06 comes with the chrome badges on the side. So I didn't want to get away too far away from the chrome, but I did want to get a little darker because to me the way that the stock wheels are, they're just a little bit flashy, and so I wanted to go with something a little bit darker. Didn't want to go black, didn't want to go gray, so I think this is the perfect combination of what it's going to look like. And it's really going to show those brake calipers, those red brake calipers through those. So excited to get these on. I'm going to stick with the same tires. I got plenty of tread life left on these tires. These tires are Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s. I would have rather done the summer only tires, but when I bought my car, these were already on it. And I got plenty of life left on them, so I'm just going to run these until I'm done with them. So I'm going to put these original tires on these wheels. Now these wheels are the stock sizing on the 20 by 12 in the rear, 19 by 10 in the front. However, the offset is a little bit different. And I'll throw the offsets up here on the screen because I don't remember what the stock offsets are versus what the aftermarkets are. But hopefully on the screen there, I'll show you what they are, and you can see what it's going to do is it's going to kick the wheel out just under ½ an inch from where it is now, and it's going to kick the rear wheel out probably about ¼ of an inch. So it's tucked in pretty good there behind those fender flares. So and then you can see the back there, how it's really tucked in there. So it's going to come out basically flush with the fender back there, which is kind of what I want. So a couple other things that we did get in the mail today. I got to put my fire extinguisher in there. I got to figure out where I'm going to get a mount for that. So if you guys know a good place to get a fire extinguisher mount, check that out. This is some more AC Composite goodies and some Extreme Online Store goodies. So we will get those going as well here soon. All right, guys. This is the driver's side front ACS Composite splash guard. This is actually it's the Five1 is what they call it, their Five1 setup. This is in the metallic flash or carbon flash, matches my side skirts and things. I'm going to replace the stock one, which you can see there, which is just a matte color, but it's a little bit thicker. So I'm going to get the stock one off and compare it to this so you can see the difference in how far out these stick. I did not go with the XLs because I just think that's a little bit too wide. It just kind of looked a little goofy to me. So what I'm going to do is take the stock ones off, and I'll show you guys a picture of these two compared on the thickness. See quite a bit of a difference there. So this is the thickness there versus here. I'm going to butt these up back to back so you guys can tell what it looks like here. But this is kind of what the thickness difference is on those. So you can see quite a bit thicker on there. So this is what's going to go on there, and it's real simple. You just got a 7mm bolt on the bottom, and then you got these clips that you put in there. So let's put this one in. I'll show you what it's like. And there we go. So that's what it looks like. Sticks out quite a bit now. and protects rocks from flying up. But it also matches the wheel extension, the fender extension, and my side skirts. So I'll be doing that to the back and the other 3 sides as well. Nice little piece added on there. So excited to get the rest of it put on too. Okay, yes, I did get the tires mounted onto the wheels now. This is what that looks like. I did go with the Extreme Contact Sport 02s from Continental. I drove the Continentals and the Michelins, both of them back to back down in Uvalde, Texas at their training ground in a sports car down there. Continentals outperform the Michelins every time. So I decided to go with the Continentals for my Corvette. These are not run flats, I'm aware, and I'm okay with that. These are gonna be better grip, a softer compound, as well as it's going to be a little bit smoother, and they're a lot lighter. So according to my research, the wheels are 5 pounds lighter a piece than stock, and the tires are 5 pounds lighter yet than the tires that are on the car. So what I'm gonna do now is weigh each of them, and you guys can see the weight difference on the front and rear versus the stock ones that are on the Corvette. Okay, so this is the front Forgeline with the Continental tire. It's 52.2 pounds. This is the rears, 55.2 pounds. And another thing I wanted to mention was very little weight was needed for these wheels and tires. In fact, this one here has no weights on it at all, anywhere on the wheel. It didn't need any weights to balance out perfectly. So the other ones were real low on weight. So now what I'm gonna do is clean them up, because there's some goo on there from install. Get these cleaned up. I'm gonna get them coated. We're gonna use a little bit of ceramic coating, as well as using some of the Dura dressing from Duracoat on the tires. So let's get them cleaned up. So I got 3 of them done. I'm using this American Detailer Ignite ceramic detail spray. This is a ceramic detail spray that I put on my wheels. Just really makes it nice and coated. This one's done. You can see I have the somewhat of a gloss from the Duragloss on there. Really coats it from getting wet. So this one's done as well. I'm working on that one, and then I still got to do the ceramic coating on that one. But we're coming along, getting closer and closer to getting these wheels on the Corvette. All right, and there she is. They're all on now. That's what it looks like. So a little different look, quite a bit different look actually. Looks good. The suspension hasn't settled from when I jacked it up yet, so the suspension will go down a little bit more. But you can see here the offset is about perfect there. So I'll show you the other side too, for kind of maybe better lighting. But that's what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. What do you think about that? Yeah, I like it. All right, let's get these on the scale, weigh the front and the backs, and see how they differ from the new ones. All right, these are the stock wheels, and the weight is 66. Oh, hold on, let me get off it. 66.6, 666. Wow. These are the all seasons, the Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons. And then the stock wheels. This is the rear. This is the rear, okay? Let's do the fronts now. These stock front wheels, they are 58.4. 58.4 stock fronts. So initial reaction to this, guys, is way quieter, a lot smoother with the new tires on. I will tell you, I don't know about grip yet, because anytime you get new tires, there's a little bit of a coating on them. Makes it a little slick, but I think they're gonna grip very well. tell you that it is a lot quieter, and it seems to be a lot smoother as well. So happy with it. Love the way it turned out, love the way it looks. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Shoot me a like and a subscribe if you wouldn't mind. We'll see you guys next time. Man, this thing's great.